orange flavour, so the flavour's going to be either cola or squid, or peach or cough medicine. So I've got some juice here, and then spitball. So I bet the orange one won't be so bad. So I've got the orange being better. Peach is disgusting now, guys.
You're not my strongest vocalist out of the boys.
But I'm really scared.
I'm sorry, there's only one seat left. Luca, I'm sorry, but I guess I'm going to have to take a leap of faith and you can have a seat.
I had squid. Squid. Cola. Cheers. Oh, right out with cola.
Freddie, why do you feel like you should take one of these boys' seats?
You know what, I worked so hard to get myself into this position, and I'm going to put my heart and soul into this performance to show you that I deserve a seat.